Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to install Auto SBC on iOS or on iPhone. So if you want to get the Auto SBC on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So literally, you need to manually do this before you can get the Auto SBC on your Safari browser. Then if that is all you're interested in doing, then let's go ahead and do this. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to get Auto SBC on iOS or iPhone or iPad, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right. And here, you want to search for user scripts. So just go ahead and search for user scripts. Then click on search. Once you hit the search button, download and install the user script application on your iPhone. So just click on download button, then you'll be prompted to type in your password to confirm your Apple ID. After that, just exit the App Store. Now, once you exit the App Store, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Safari. So if you're using iOS 17 or earlier, you're going to have Safari under the settings page. On iOS 18, just scroll down and click on Apps. Then under Apps, scroll to Safari. So just keep scrolling until you get to Safari. So go ahead and open Safari. Now, while on the Safari page, just scroll down and scroll to General. Under General, locate extensions and click on that. Now, once you selected extension, you're going to have user script here. If user script is disabled, this is what you're going to have. Under allow these extensions, then go ahead and click on user scripts. Once you select user scripts, come here and tap allow extension to enable the user script to use Auto SBC on your iOS. Then you can also turn on to allow it in private browser. Once that is enabled, scroll down to permissions. Under permissions, click on the two results and make sure if it is set to deny, change it to allow. Then once you're done customizing the user script on the Safari browser, just exit. Then come back to your iPhone screen on the screen, open Safari. Now, once you open Safari, come to this website called autosbc.app. So you want to visit autosbc.app. So go ahead and search it, autosbc.app, and then click on the Go button. Now, once you selected the Go button, you'll be taken to the Auto SBC app page on your Safari page. Now, you need to turn on or install the Auto SBC extension on your Safari browser. To do this, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to get it for free. Then under Chrome, locate a user script. So go ahead and click on as a user script. Then once you tap as a user script, you see a new browser open just like this. Once the new browser is opened, then the user script will be installed on your Safari. Then now go ahead and open the Auto SBC page where you want to turn on Auto SBC. Then refresh the page. Then once you refresh the page, you're going to have an option to customize the Auto SBC, and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to get Auto SBC on iOS or iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.